If you have a small wiener, is there any way to supersize that sausage? Now, if you know anything about women or have delved into the research like I have, you would know that girth generally matters more than length. And there, you're actually in luck because there is a procedure where they can take some of your own fat and basically stick it in and inject it all around the circumference of your penis, making it thicker and thus more pleasurable for your partners. It should be noted that the fat injections don't always redistribute evenly, so you could end up with dimpling, or basically cellulite, on your penis, which I guess textured for her pleasure, but cosmetically less than desirable. If you're not into medical procedures, it should be noted that certain types of shops out there actually sell little devices that roll on over this. It's basically a superhero outfit for your penis, and obviously these are completely removable, but come in all kinds of varieties and can add a significant amount of girth and texture. Now, if we're talking about increasing length, there's a few options here as well. One method that has been used across cultures is penis weights, penile stretching. So essentially, there are devices out there that kind of hang on the end of here and gradually stretch this tissue out. Now, the downside to this is that it can cause penile damage, like you can actually damage the spongy tissue inside of here. The upside is that it does seem to work, unfortunately, at the expense of that ever important girth. Another option for increasing length involves a weird fact that up to a third of your actual penis is hidden inside your body. And on either side, and kind of on the top, you have ligaments that stabilize the erection. And what you can do is go in and surgically sever these, allowing a bit of that inner manwich to protrude further to the outside. Now, if you remember what I said, those ligaments help stabilize things. So when they're not there, you may end up with an erection that is a bit floppier than you want it. And this can increase your chances of having an unfortunate event like a penile break. A bit of good news here at the end: if you are moderately overweight or if you are an extremely chunky monkey, losing weight can actually make your penis bigger. And this isn't because it's growing, it's because you're shrinking. As this fat pad around the pubic area starts to shrink, it can reveal substantial amounts of your bone roller coaster. The general guideline is for every 20 pounds, you get somewhere between a half an inch and an inch. In my humble opinion, it's better to learn to work with what you got and devote any extra energy you may have toward learning about female anatomy, because that knowledge can make up for a lot of shortcomings.